Hi everyone, in this video we're working on some small improvement on our page. So first I want to show add a link to the profile when you click on comments. So you go to your app, view, post, and show. Well, actually it's on comment list, I think. So in here, right? So when you click on this username, we should make it this way, strong, and inside we have a link to command user dot name user path command user and class no text decoration normal color, right? And yeah, it's open. Okay, delete this, save it. Alright, so now let's go to refresh your page. When you hover on this, you go to user profile page, and let's check on our detail page. Yeah, it's working now. So the next thing I want to do is I want to add a link to user profile page. No, actually it's go to the post detail. Something like this. When you click on this image and we'll go to the post detail. So we have two ways of go to post detail, right? So it's on post list, right in here. I'm looking for an image. We move this on photos. So in here, we wrap this in a link to post path, post, do, we have n, right? And we select all the way up here and tap it inside, save it. Right, refresh, and when you hover this, you would go to the post detail. So super easy, right? Right, and the final thing I want to add is I want to add a pagination on the bottom of the index page. So open your gem file. So I'm going to use a gem is will around single hook will paginate bootstrap 4. Right, will paginate bootstrap 4. Right, save it. So we run Rails bundle. Right, and run Rails S again. So select that. So go to your controllers, post controllers, your post controllers, and on index. So instead of you query all the posts, you should query it like this. Post dot paginate page parents page per page is 5. This is dot, oh no, dot includes photo users user and likes dot order created and descending. Well, you could delete this. Right, save it. So on your view, so post index, so in here you write line break, and you print out will paginate. Post, save it, refresh. So yeah, you should have something like this. Yeah, don't render all the posts, right? Just render on 5 each page. So that's all for this video. Super cool, guys. See you guys next time.